How to set up auto filter unwanted emails with mail rules to stop iPhone spam. Okay, so first we can set up a rule to block a specific email address. So in here we go to settings, and in settings tap on the Apple account name at the top. Then go down and tap on iCloud. Next tap on mail. And from here we scroll down and tap on iCloud mail rules. And here tap on add rule. And from here we can give it a name. So give it a name. So let's say we call this spammer X. So if message is from, and then you put in the email address. So for example, sales@spammers.com. Okay, so if it is coming from a specific address, we're going to move it directly to the trash bin. Okay, tap on the accept button. Another rule that we can set up to filter emails containing spam keywords such as crypto, investment opportunity, loan approval, or win money. Those are usually spam emails, so let's add in a rule, and then rule name. So spam keywords, and then here tap on message, and we're going to choose has subject containing, and then in here you can put in the subject line. So let's say crypto, for example. So crypto, and then action, we're going to move it to trash as well, and then tap on the accept button. So put in the keyword that you want to move it. If it identifies those keywords, it will move the emails to the trash bin. Now remember, if you want to remove other keywords, you need to add in a different rule. Another option is to filter by domain. If you know an email coming from a certain domain, and usually they are sales or spammy domains, we can enter it in. So add in rule, and then add in rule name. So let's say it's from crypto sales, for example, crypto sales, and then we go down and tap on message, and here we will choose has subject containing, and then put in the subject at spam domain. So put in the spam domain.com, and then move to trash as well, and then tap on the accept button at the top. Okay, so that's how you can create rules to filter out or forward spam emails to the trash. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. You can test out your mail once you receive incoming emails that is spammy or coming from a spam domain. It will automatically move to the trash bin. Thank you for watching this video. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.